Today we're going to learn how to customize measurements on the 2D plan. You can customize dimensions on the 2D plan while in the plan step. There are two submenus. When you select the wall-to-wall dimensions, a ruler will appear. Position it in the beginning of the wall to begin drawing. If the software detects where dimensions should be on the wall, green dots will appear. Start by clicking on the first point to start the measurements. Then, click on the second point to end the line. All possible dimensions detected between these 2 points will appear. The thickness of the wall will also be present, which can be selected or deselected. You can adjust the location it needs to go on the plan. Then, modify the display parameters like the font type, size, and color. The second submenu, Manual Drawing Dimensions, allow you to customize dimensions. These dimensions detect 2D symbols and partitions, or they can be independent of any element or be modified. They can also indicate the parameters. Lastly, please note there are options to shift positions on the plan and display parameters for existing dimensions. You can deactivate the dimensions that would not appear on the 2D plan once it is saved. That's it! Now is your turn. Feel free to contact us at the email provided. Our team is always available to help.